Hopping through the night, the meaning of bar hop. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and social English phrase that you might hear when people are talking about their weekend plans. Have you ever heard of the term bar hop? Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how to use it in a conversation. Bar hop is a colloquial term that refers to the activity of visiting multiple bars in a single night or over a short period of time. When someone says they're going bar hopping, it means they plan to visit several bars, one after the other, often with a group of friends. The term bar hop can be split into two words. 1. Bar. This is a place where people go to drink alcoholic beverages, socialize, and sometimes dance or listen to music. It can be a pub, a tavern, or a nightclub. 2. Hop. In this context, hop is a verb that means to move or jump from one place to another quickly. It gives the idea of short and quick movements. So, when combined, bar hop paints a vivid picture of people moving from one bar to another in a lively and energetic manner. To truly understand and remember a phrase, it's often helpful to see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. We're planning to bar hop downtown tonight. Want to join? 2. I haven't bar hopped in years. I can't believe we visited 5 bars last night. 3. If you're going to bar hop, make sure you have a designated driver or plan for a safe way home. And there you have it. Now you know what it means when someone says they're off to bar hop or talks about a bar hopping adventure. English is full of vibrant and dynamic phrases like this, which makes it such an exciting language to learn. We hope this video has shed some light on this particular phrase. Remember, stay curious and keep learning.